Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a Christmas video. Look at my sweater. I got this from the US and I have my Christmas cap and then I have my background also Christmassy. My nails are Christmassy. I'm feeling the season right here and I got non-nude nails, can you imagine? And I'm really enjoying it for the moment. I just realized I don't have anything on my lips and I cannot do bare lips. I need some gloss, some balm, so I'm putting the Simply Nam lip oil before we jump into the video. Okay, so for foundation, I'm taking the Makeup Forever foundation. It's a very beautiful foundation, super skin-like. You'll see as I blend it into the skin, it just melts in, which is amazing. And yeah, I've been loving this foundation and using it a lot. So guys, it's the holiday season. Like, how are you guys doing? I know holidays are really difficult for a lot of you who live alone, who live away from family, who just went through loss recently of a loved one. I'm so sorry you're going through a difficult time during the holiday season. I know it can get lonely, but yeah, I think it's just a matter of you have yourself and just cozy up on the sofa, take your blankie and hot chocolate, watch some good feel good movies. Okay, don't watch some sad movies. If you're going through a breakup, also sending you so much love and hugs. I promise you next year will be better, you guys. I know you can't see it right now, but next year, good times are about to come. The best days of your life are yet to come. And sometimes we can't see it, but it's right around the corner. You just have to wait. Don't give up, okay? I promise you. The holidays will be over in like a week. And then you'll be back to your normal routine and you'll feel comfortable again. Just wanted to share that. I love you guys so much. And I hope you really celebrate the holiday season on your own. If nothing, you are your best friend, like I always say. Yes, anyway, I put on the Huda Beauty concealer and the NARS concealer. And I like to do this because it just brightens the inner corner. I usually take a lighter concealer as my second concealer and it just gives a pop of brightness, So if that's something you're into, you can go ahead and do that and use a very tiny amount. And I always go over it with my beauty sponge, no matter what. For powder, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder as usual, and I'm just gonna put that underneath my eye, but only underneath my eye. Okay, you don't want to go around your cheeks and everything. You want to make sure that area is hydrated. All right, for brows, I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow, and this is such a beautiful brow product, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, if you just are lazy and you just want to fill in some gaps in your brow, this is a beautiful brow pencil. I just realized that I'm starting to fall in love with this pencil as well. Even the Precisely My Brow, though, is my favorite, but this one's also fantastic. You can see the difference, see? It just gave it a very natural lift to the brow. So that's why I've been gravitating towards this a lot, because I love a good thick bushy brow. All right, so now I'm gonna dust my bake and you can see how I'm dusting it, okay? Make sure you're taking the powder down and with a very, very light hand. Don't touch the cheek area like I'm showing you, because you want to put cream products there, right? So look how dewy my skin is. So just dust it downwards with a very light hand. Just dust it off, okay? And now you can see my skin is nice and hydrated still. I'm gonna take the Color Bar Glide eye pencil in Emerald Charm. This is such a beautiful eye pencil, you guys. Like, I just wanted to go through my eyeliner stash and I saw this and I'm like, wow. It's got a bunch of beautiful like shimmery glitter and it's green in color. It's like the perfect Christmas forest green. So I was like, this is my pencil. So if they have any other colors, I think you should get it because it's a beautiful eye pencil. If you're into graphic liners, kajal, like liners in general, I think this is a fantastic pencil. It lasted me a very long time, Like, this liner did not budge. So yeah, I'm just drawing a different kind of wing. I started from the outer corner, went in to my crease, and I'm just taking the ColourPop shadow here and sort of like setting the liner, so to say, and adding a little more depth to the liner. Okay, so I did this little tiny wing on the inner corner, but I wasn't liking it. So I took it off. And then I just put the same shadow on the inner corner. And then I was like, okay, now we're getting somewhere. So makeup is all about having fun, dude. I did not like plan this. I had a totally different eye look in mind. But that's what happens. You sit down, you do some stuff, you figure it out. You just fall in love with it. Makeup, you can always erase and come back to. Boom. and both eyes are done. I'm taking Tassel, which is another beautiful glittery eyeshadow. These shadows are very buttery. You don't get them in India at the moment. They sent me PR, so this is all PR from Colourpop. But I just wanted a light silver sort of shimmer on my lid. I didn't want glitter as such. I just wanted that glass-like effect, you know. So I just I'm tapping it slightly on my lid, and that's giving me the exact effect I wanted. So I'm taking the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm picking up the red. Okay, both these reds, and I'm putting that in the outer corner. I felt a little bit of regret when I did this because I'm like, I don't know if I like this, but at the end it just looked really nice. So this is my pop of color. You know, I'm just like, I want to go Christmassy. Okay, I'm taking this other color in Mountain Lion. It's the same range. It's just sort of has a duochrome shift to it. So I thought I just wanted to add that on. So I'm blending my lower lash line now. And I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. These are, again, this is an amazing mascara. It's got the lengthening side and the volumizing side. I use the lengthening side more because it's really nice and it just separates the lashes and looks really beautiful. And I am going to take some falsies. So I'm taking the Kiss Lashes. Again, I picked this up from the US drugstore. When I went there, I just pick up all this stuff, you know. So for bronzer, again, I'm taking a cream bronzer by Makeup by Mario, and it is such a beautiful, light, creamy, blendable bronzer, and I'm just applying some warmth to my skin. So you see how the foundation is still like dewy, and that's how I can add cream products. So that's why it's essential not to set your entire face. All right, so I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Look at that gorgeousness right there. Like, are you kidding me? It looks like something I want to eat. Yeah, it's a beautiful looking palette with the embossing and everything. She knows luxury, man. Charlotte equals luxury. So I'm taking that shade and the red one, and I'm just applying it, and it looks pigmented in the palette, but it is so soft and radiant and bridal. It's like the perfect bridal blush. So yeah, I think if you want to gift a bride a palette, just gift them this because it's just got everything you need. I'm going to take the Patrick Ta Beauty Creme Contour Powder in She Sculpted, and I'm just going to sculpt my nose, doing a little bit of nose makeup surgery. And then I'm putting that on my cheek as well to set my cream contour. Then I'm picking up that highlight. Again, like I said, perfect bridal palette. Look at that highlighter. It's so soft and gentle and like radiant. Your skin looks beautiful even in person, which is what we want, right? Okay, by the way, I'm taking the Givenchy loose powder. I love this loose powder. And I'm taking that Powder Puff by PAC. Easily available on Nykaa. And yeah, I'm just taking this and sculpting, sort of like adding dimension under my eye. You can see that cut next to the nose. It just makes your nose contour stand out, makes your eyes look brighter. It double sets the under eye, but in a very non-dry way. It just beautifully sets it in, you know, doesn't crease whatsoever. I'm taking the Il Makiage and Carly Bybel lip liner in Luna, and I'm just going to line my lips, followed with the Sephora 75 liquid lipstick. It's a very pale nude. It's like nude because the eyes are so heavy, right? And then of course I'm going to put like a gorgeous glossy gloss, which is Honey Diamond by Anastasia, and it's so diamondy, guys. Like, I feel rich and luxe in this. You need a gloss. And then I'm gonna go in with the blush because I really thought that was very subtle. So I wanted that winter snow sort of effect on my cheeks, so that's why I put extra blush. And that is it, you guys. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Merry Christmas and a very happy new year to all of you. I love you so much. May your new season be filled with love and joy and friends and family. And most importantly, love yourself. Okay, I love you. Sending so much joy your way. Bye. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, see ya.